Sure.
They all good?
I was over here in the parking lot, so he seems like he's...
Are you doing okay? Okay. Is he good?
Okay. Have you called?
I haven't yet.
Did you call?
No, I was on my bike, so.
Did you get it okay?
Yeah, it was green for us. They ran the light. If I hadn't taken off as fast as I would, you would have hit me, so.
Did he call by chance?
I haven't, no. I was on my bike, so I wasn't able to get my phone out and call yet.
Yeah, Fairview and 5 miles.
Yeah.
Oh, come on! Now that's the best water line.
Oh, shit. What the fuck was that?
Y'all good? Damn. I'll clean some of that shit. Really? Damn. I hear you on that, man. Yep. God damn, yo.
You okay? Hello?
Oh, I'm good. He just got wrecked.
Were you part of this as far as did he hit you?
No, he didn't. No, not at all. Okay. I was just sitting here and I was spectating. You know what I mean? I wanted to get that stuff out of the road.
Because I own a bike and I got hit Monday.
Yeah, no, I know what you mean.
Somebody run into me on Monday.
Yeah. Really? On Monday?
Yeah, I was coming out of work, made a left, and she come around and turned, never even saw me.
Well, yeah, I got you.
Got hit on Monday, put a hole in my jeans, scratching my leg, my bike's in the shop.
Wow.
So, wanted to make sure you were okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Is it starting?
Yeah, it is starting. I'm just.
Okay, I'm gonna block you with my motorcycle. Yeah, she's good. It's the one in that car over there that got hurt. Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna see if we can get that one to move too, even though it's destroyed. Who hit who?
He was just stopping so quickly. I tried to go in the other lane. And I ended up, I guess, messing his right, his left bumper.
Got it. No. How's it going?
Hi.
Are you okay?
I think so. My neck's a little sore.
It's gonna be worse tomorrow.
Okay.
Is the motor running?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna try to move it over there. Can I get you out?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead, shut it off for right now and just leave the key in it.
Okay. And I'm looking for my glasses, but I can't find them.
Your glasses are probably in the car. Hold on one second. Do not move. Let me cut this airbag out of your way, okay?
Okay.
I'll give you back your key once I get it out of the way. Here, let's get you out to safety. Yeah. Wait right here. I'm gonna try to move it. No, it's his car. I was trying to get it out of the way.
Oh man, you gotta step to the side. You can't move
I'm a
that
tow
car.
truck driver. Don't tell me what to do.
Well,
Here you go, sir.
Man.
Huh?
Are you involved in this action?
I'm trying to help him out and get him to safety. I'm the one that told him to get out of his car. Don't tell me what to do, all right?
I'm trying to help out, all
You're
right?
on camera. And I'm trying to get it out of the way so I can get the traffic cleared out.
I'm just trying to
But
help
you're
out.
yelling at me. I don't appreciate your tone.
All right, well, I apologize for the tone, but I'm just trying to look out for your safety.
I ride a motorcyclist. What I do is dangerous all fucking day. I pick up shit like this all fucking day. I'm not worried about my safety.
All right, man.
I'm good. But I want to make sure he's safe. I want to make sure he's to the side. I was trying to get that out of the way.
Thanks, man.